Hello everyone, welcome to Fun and Learn channel. Here is a lesson from NCERT textbook of English for class 3rd. Book name is Santur and chapter is 9, Madhu's Wish. Madhu loved food. He always wanted to eat different kinds of food and snacks. He was never tired of eating. Every day at noon, he would sit under a banyan tree and eat his lunch. One day, as he was eating, an old man came. Madhu felt sorry for him and shared his food with him. The old man was so happy that as he was leaving, he said, "My child, you have been so kind. In return, you can wish for anything from this tree and it will be granted." Madhu felt very happy. He thought, I can ask the different types of food and enjoy them forever. He sat there and closing his eyes said, "Oh tree, let me have different types of food, nothing else." He heard a voice from the tree, "You don't want anything else? Think it over." Without thinking, Madhu said, "Nothing else." First, he asked for laddus. At once, a basket full of laddus appeared. He happily started eating it. After some time, he got bored. Then he thought of colorful fruits. Immediately, fruit in baskets appeared. He started eating them. There were grapes, mangoes, apples, bananas, jackfruit, melons, guavas, oranges, and many more. Then he got bored eating only fruits. He asked for savories. Immediately, savories like matri, samosas, kachori, potato chips, and vada appeared in huge baskets. He happily started eating them. As he was eating, he suddenly got hiccups. He wanted water. He looked around. There was food everywhere, but no water. He asked for water, but the tree said, "You wanted only food, not water. So, what if I don't get water? I will have sharbat, kheer, and badam milk for my thirst," thought Madhu. Soon all these appeared in jugs. Madhu drank them all, but the hiccups did not stop. They became louder. He was now desperate for water. He prayed to the tree, "May all this food disappear and let me have water instead." "Are you sure?" the voice from the tree asked. "Yes, I am sure. Now I know the importance of water. No other drink can replace water. Please give me just water." A jug of water appeared. Thirsty Madhu drank as though he had never seen water. His hiccups stopped. He was no longer thirsty. Now, some new words from the story: loud, different, snacks, granted, savories, hiccups, louder, desperate, instead, replace, immediately, thirsty.